Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down API Gateway AWS, an essential cloud concept. So, what is API Gateway AWS? AWS API Gateway creates, manages, and secures REST, HTTP, and WebSocket APIs at scale. This is one of the core ideas in cloud that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about API Gateway AWS. Point 1. Multiple API types. REST, HTTP, cheaper. WebSocket. Point 2. Throttling, caching, usage plans. API keys. Point 3. Lambda, HTTP, VPC link integration targets. Point 4. Canary deployments and access logging. Point 5. Foundation for most serverless APIs on AWS. And that is API Gateway AWS explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new cloud concept every single day. See you tomorrow.